So, the cabinet has given a resolution and instructed you to file a case and inquire against the Pakistani national.
On receiving the cabinet's directives, CID was instructed to file a case. Today morning, CID has filed a case, CID PS case number 5/2025 under sections 48, 152, 61, 197(1) of BNS 2023, read with section 13(1) of the इउ.ए.प Act against Ali Tawqir Sheikh and unknown others. The case has been registered and the investigation has begun.
So what would be the dimensions, or how far it could lead?
It has been seen that till now that the activities of the said Ali Tawqir Sheikh are prejudicial to national security. He has been making utterances, and it seems that his activities hurt the broader spectrum of national security. So it has to be seen as to what exactly he has done, which is suspected already, and whether there are other people involved in the conspiracy with him. Who are these others? Are they within India, without India, within Assam, in the rest of India? So they will all be looked at, and nobody, and I repeat again, nobody, कोई भी भारत की अखंडता पे आँच नहीं आ सकती भारत की अखंडता पे। ये हमने सुदृढ़ निश्चय लिया है और CID अपने केस को ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ाएगी। धन्यवाद।